Do you think I wanted this for you?
I'll show you, Dad! Mom! I did it!
Hey guys, how are you doing? Creating a 30-second 3D animation seems simple, until you remember that, usually, this involves script, art direction, characters, visual style, camera, animation, editing, and a lot of trial and error. Now, imagine turning a kind of absurd idea, like a dramatic Mexican soap opera starring 3D fruits, into a video ready for social media. That's exactly what I'm going to test today, with RoboNew Asian teams. The idea here isn't just to generate a clip with AI, but to see if this tool can work as a small creative team, understand the idea, organize the concept, produce the video, and still allow adjustments along the way. Shall we see if it works? So, let's get to the video. RoboNew Asian Teams moves away from that traditional model where you have to think of everything by yourself. Ready and perfect. Composition, character, lighting, camera, rhythm, editing, and final result. Here, the idea is more like working with a team. You present the idea, explain what you want, you can even speak in natural language, and the agents get to work to turn that into a finished visual piece. Before we start, I want to show you the image I'll be using in my video, which was generated by Nano Banana 2. I even left the watermark here in the corner so you can see that the image will be used from start to finish, keeping my video consistent. So, let's get started. To test this, I decided to use a very specific idea that is also very hard to execute manually. A dramatic scene in the style of a Mexican soap opera with characters that are anthropomorphic fruits, meaning they look like human beings. The idea is to create a short video with humor, dramatic exaggeration, and a very eye-catching 3D animation aesthetic. So, after clicking the link that will be down here in the video description, you'll come here to RoboNew, and here there are two options: the canvas, which they are translating here as screen, and the workflow. For today's video, we're going to use the canvas function here. So, the first thing to do is to create a video animation in the style of a dramatic Mexican soap opera with 3D art aesthetics inspired by cinematic animations and hyper-realistic textures. Then I added more instructions for the model. There's also another important point. I can manually select here how I want to create my video, or simply select the team of agents here. From this moment on, everything is done automatically. Again, that's it. I'll click on the arrow and send my command. Done. It has already transferred my command here. And this prompt is great for testing the tool because it mixes several layers: characters, setting, costumes, humor, genre reference, camera movement, facial emotion, and language. So notice that as soon as my prompt is brought here, RoboNew already activates the agents. So I start here with the storyboard director and then here with the art director. So these two agents here will be part of my creation. Notice that the director here put together the whole storyboard for me. So it's pretty complete. I don't need to worry about that. And now the art director will generate my video. Look, he's finished here. Let's see how it turned out.
I want to be a soccer player, not a doctor.
Oh my god! It can't be!
This is a betrayal.
Pretty dramatic, right? So, to continue my story here, second prompt, build the next scene, according to the script, continuing the drama of the fruit family. So, once again here, I have my head writer, my storyboard director, and also my art director. So, these three agents here are going to work on executing my second scene. Notice that the head writer and the storyboard director have finished writing how this second scene is going to be. So, he delivered a very complex script here, and the art director will have to follow it. Alright, he finished generating my second scene here. Let's watch it.
Do you think I wanted this for you?
I also once had a ball in my hands.
He's not holding you back. He's afraid. I'm not going to end up like you.
Let's go to my third scene now. Build the next scene, with the character leaving home, arriving at the stadium, and starting to train. He's sad because he doesn't have his parents' support. The screenwriter stepped in here and organized the whole sequence of my scenes. Then the storyboard director came here and rewrote the script for me. Once again, a very complete text with all the directions. And then finally, the art director was called in to create my third scene. Let's see how it turned out.
I'll show you.
Alone, then alone, alone.
Cool too, right? Now let's go to scene number 4. So for that, here's the prompt. Now the scene with a happy ending. The character is in a championship final. The referee blows the whistle, and right at the start, he gets the ball and scores an amazing goal. He goes to celebrate at the edge of the field, and when he looks at the stands, he sees his father and mother smiling and cheering for the goal. The camera goes back to the character and he has a tear in his eye, feeling a sense of accomplishment. So this is to close my story. See, the head writer here has already given me episode 4 mission accomplished, which will be the finale. The storyboard director has also done his job here, giving me the complete storyboard, and then he gave me this video here. Let's watch it. He did.
Dad. Mom, I did it.
Did you notice any inconsistencies? That's the key advantage of this tool. Because since I have an infinite canvas here, I can ask the agents to make some fine adjustments. So, for example, if I didn't like the clothes, if I didn't like the character's color, if the angle is a bit weird, if he said something that doesn't sound like Brazilian Portuguese. So I can ask the artificial intelligence through the agents to make these specific changes. And that's exactly what I did. Check out the prompt. It needs adjustments. The ball is going into the goal on the wrong side. The visual style of the parents in the stands is different from the rest of the video. Besides that, he pronounces ma incorrectly at the end of the video. He says ma, but the correct way is ma. Fix everything. He thought for a few more moments, called the art director here again to make the change because the mistake was his, and handed me this result here. He did it! See? It's much better. He fixed the physics of the ball and changed the consistency of the characters here. Now I have the same style throughout the whole video, but then what happens? I have several loose clips here. And the idea isn't to have these loose clips. It's to make a complete video, putting everything together. So I can choose here which were the best clips. I can organize everything here on my canvas. And ask the following. Join the 4 selected videos and turn them into a long video. Keep the consistency. Just join the scenes, creating an organic transition between them. Notice that now he activated another agent here, which is the post-production composition. If you want to see all the agents that are available here, just press the @ key. See which agents are available here. Brand designer, advertising strategist, copywriter, commercial director, head screenwriter, storyboard director, post-production composition, product photographer, detail page designer, rendering artist, social media manager, and so on. There are several agents available here. And it's no problem if you don't know which one to use. You will type your command. And RoboNew's own artificial intelligence here will understand which is the best agent to carry out the task you want. And then the AI itself will make that choice for you. Just out of curiosity, my first clip was 12 seconds long. The second one, 15. The third one, 15, and the fourth one, also 15. So it put everything together and gave me this video here that's almost 1 minute long.
I want to be a soccer player, not a doctor.
Oh my God. It can't be.
This is a betrayal? No. Do you think I wanted this for you? I also once had the ball in my hands.
He's not holding you back. He's afraid.
I'm not going to end up like you. I'll show you. Sozinho. Then I'll do it alone.
He did it. He did it.
Father.
Mother. I did it.
So the big difference here is that with a traditional generator, I would have to think of pretty much everything by myself. First, write the script. Then define the characters, create the images, turn them into video, and then fix movement, framing, expression, style, rhythm, and still try to put everything together in a coherent sequence. With RoboNeo agent teams, the idea is to change this logic. Instead of treating AI as just an isolated tool, RoboNeo acts as a team, a complete production team. Cool, right? So if you work with marketing, social media, content creation, ads, short videos, or creative campaigns, it's worth trying RoboNeo Agent Teams to see how it fits into your workflow. Just click the link in the description. And by using my promo code, you also get points to try out the tool, alright? See you in the next video. Bye bye!
The haptic feedback stutters under my thumb.